Good morning, all of you. In the last period, we have discussed about the local time. Now we will see what is standard time. Now, before that, some questions are there. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. Okay, so we have seen this. For example, this is the east and this is west. So longitudes, these are the longitudes. Okay, so the timings are. For example, on 30 degree it is 2 o'clock. Okay, so on 15 degree it is 1 o'clock. Okay, now as the distance between two longitude increase, their local times also start differing as the distance between two longitude. We know that one longitude, the difference between two longitude is 4 minutes. Okay, with two longitudes, its difference is 4 minutes. So there will be at least the difference will be about 4 minutes. Okay, now if you multiply the difference between longitude in degrees by 4 minutes, okay, 1 degree multiplied by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local time can be calculated. The difference in longitudes can be known with the help of a globe or map. So by referring the globe or map, we can have the difference in longitude timing. Now carry out the activity given on page number 75 and 76 and understand the standard time of various locations. See if you can find out the standard time at two opposite longitudes with this activity. Now we will see what is standard time. Okay. Now Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Okay. And Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. Okay. Now, for example, we know that this Kolkata is at 88 degree east longitude and Mumbai is 73. So, if you want to find the timing of both, so what we will do? What is the difference? We will see first. Now, 88 minus 73, so that will be 15. Okay, and that is 15 degree. Now, we know that 1 degree is 4 minutes. Okay, so there will be 54 in 15 into 4, that is 60. Okay, so there will be a difference of 60 minutes between this Kolkata and Mumbai. Okay, so 1 hour difference. 60 minutes means 1 hour difference. So if the local time of at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? That will be 4 o'clock. Okay, because we know that already the sun has passed from Kolkata to Mumbai. We know that Kolkata is, for example, it is east and Mumbai it at west. Okay, both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Okay, their local times differ by an hour. So we will see now this. Just you refer this chart. Okay. Now you see here Mumbai it as there. Okay, Mumbai is here also, and Kolkata, where is Kolkata? Kolkata will be at this place. Okay, so here near about this. So there will be a difference. Then these are the longitudes. Okay, these are the longitudes are there. Okay, now so if there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a clock. There will be a lack of synchronization, or we can say coordination will be not be there in the routine activities in the country. For example, in India we are having Kolkata 4 o'clock and in Mumbai 3 o'clock. So there will be a lack of synchronization. Okay, coordination will not be there. So if each one if one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. So confusion will be there. So therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. So generally we are having different local times in our country, but standard time is fixed only. Okay, now we will see now how the standard time is calculated. Now with respect to business at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard time of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. So it means that there are 24 standard time. So these time zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. So already we have seen what is prime meridian. And normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. So what they are telling here, if the difference is not more than 1 or 2 hours in the country, so only one standard time is there. But if the longitudinal extent, that is east-west extent, is more than that, then one standard time is not enough. And in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. For example, now you see if some countries are very big, for example, Canada. So Canada is having 6 standard time, okay, 6 standard time. We are having only one standard time, but Canada is the country which is having 6 standard time, okay. Now, Indian Standard Time. We will see now what is this concept. The Indian Standard Time, that is also IST, has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 minute east longitude which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So see here, when we are deciding the standard time, so we are taking, for example, now you see where is Mirzapur. Mirzapur is here, okay. So actually you see we are just have this center point we have taken of the country, our country. So you see from here to here 3000 kilometer is there, and from up to down 3200 is there. So what we have done, we have selected the center place of the country, and that is 82 degree 30 minutes east. So what we are deciding the time of this place for whole country, okay. So we are taking this 12 o'clock noon, so that will be for all the whole country, okay. Now this longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree 30 minute and other places in the country. Now some questions are there. Look at the figure 1.4, that is 1.4, and answer the following questions. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? So we will see now. See, this is we have taken this from this side and this side, okay. So 97 degree 25 minute east, and here you see 68 degree and 7 minutes east. So the difference will be 29, okay. The degrees between these two are 29. By how many minutes do two consecutive longitude differ? That is 4 minutes. What is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? We know that 82 degree 30 minutes east. If it is 8 a.m. at 82 degree 30 minutes east, what will be the time in their clocks at the following places? Now you tell me now this: Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, and Guwahati. Though the distance between them is more, why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? So this is the question for you. Okay, thank you.